So today I am doing a makeup look. As you guys can see, for my eyebrows I used a new one, Maybelline Tattoo. I'm in 382, and I also used the L.A. Pro concealer, which you guys know I've been using. Everything will be in the description box. So somebody suggested that I should do a smoky eye, and also somebody also suggested that I should do a burgundy look. So I mixed that together to make a burgundy smoky eye look. I started with this color. Don't know what it is. I have to go get my palette, so of course all these stuff once again will be in the description box. But from what I read, you guys know I'm still a beginner. I am no huge makeup. I don't do makeup for a living, but I dibble dabble. I would definitely gotten better from when I began, for sure, definitely. But from what I've seen in other videos, because before filming this video I kind of had to like look and kind of get an idea of how to really create the smoky eye look effect. And from what I saw is you start with the lighter colors and then kind of like transition as you go. And then of course you can start with the darker colors. And I just did black because that's what I noticed a lot of the looks are like, but essentially it looks like you do not have to do black. I've seen other smoky looks with like just lighter color in the top and darker color in the, lighter color in the back and darker color. And then I went with another pinkish look, kind of similar to peach look. I've used this in my other thing, I believe, and I added that on for the next transition color. So yeah, maybe I might do that with a Christmas. That's what I'm thinking about, like for a Christmas look. Let me know what you guys think about that, kind of doing a smoky eye like that, but it won't have black. It will be green and red and something else. I might make it like look glam and be extra, so we'll see. How you guys enjoying Vlogmas so far? So I was looking at the brush because I didn't wash my brush. I forgot to, and I still had some blue from last week's makeup look that I did. I didn't film it, but I did like this blue look. But if you follow me on Instagram, I might leave the little picture up here somewhere. Yeah, I had blue eyeshadow on. For the past 2 weeks I haven't been using foundation. Then I used this palette that I got from Wish. I won't even try to pronounce the name because I don't even know what it is. But basically, a lot of the palettes here are all glitter color, and this one was the burgundy that I had. So it pretty much blended well. It didn't look too bad, even though I had the blue. And I kept on putting on, like trying to figure out why, but then I realized why. Yeah, what was I saying before? Oh, how you guys liking Vlogmas so far? As you can see, I'm trying to do some more vlog. I have a mixture of vlog and sit-down videos because it is Vlogmas. I'm in the process of editing a lot as we speak, so I have like 2 more videos to edit after this one. I'm honestly just counting down to a break. I just really need that. What is it, week and a half break, I believe it's gonna be. Despite that, I just need a break, just to relax. So now I go ahead with I believe this is my e.l.f. Cosmetics palette, and I use the black. I wasn't even gonna try to use eyeliner. You guys know how I feel about eyeliner. Still got my eyeliner. Eventually one day I will sit there and really think about how to use it, but for now I just went ahead and used the black. So next, I just put my setting spray. I believe it's L.A.Girl as well. And I'm using the Revlon, the gloss that I got. Taupe, I believe. And then here I'm using my Maybelline. I thought I showed it, sorry. I think it's a great lash. And this Poudiere Elf drives me crazy, guys. It really does. It's so messy. But it gives me that nice glow, but it's so messy. I just did it on my nose. I didn't do it on my cheeks. I have no foundation. I forgot to mention that. So I didn't do any foundation concealer. If I didn't say that, I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I did. But just in case why you're wondering why my face looks so bland. I just want to give my face a break because like all these little mini pimples and stuff in terms of applying foundation and concealer. Come back and talk about the changes that I made because I kind of switched it up a little bit. So because it was like, hold on. Yeah, I wanted to talk about the changes I made. So because it's a smoky eye, and look, I'm a beginner. If you guys are new, you guys know this. So I was like trying to make that effect of having the black on the top because from what I read, it's the darker color on top, and also because somebody asked me to do a burgundy look and smoky look last time. So I did. So my burgundy, let me see if I can get closer for you guys, but this is what it looks like now after I made the adjustments and changes. So I added more of the same black that I showed you guys from that palette. I believe it's an Elf Cosmetics bag. Also, I use is going to be down below. I added more of that, and then I went over back with the same palette. This palette I got from Wish, so I don't want to mispronounce it, but it looks like it's a Chinese name. And this is the burgundy that I showed you guys, and that's what I use. This is how it comes out on me. So that's the burgundy on the top of the black. Added more black of that same black from the Elf Cosmetics to kind of make the feel of the smoky eye, and also so that it's not too much of the burgundy color, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just wanted to come and clarify that and show you guys what it really looks like now as I changed the whole thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. I think I'm gonna do a Christmas look for sure. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm way too close to the camera. Bye.